Hey guys, this is gonna be a quick one. I wanna show you how to do reverts. So actually Zuppio supports revert in case you did some questionable deploy and you wanna roll back the changes. What we support for the revert are most of the editable components deploys, except for dashboards and pick list values. So revert is done against a single target org. You click on this little triangle here, click on show history, and we see our deployment success. Again, the triangle, detail. In here, we select a step that we want to revert and click this button here. Do you really want to perform? Yes, we do really want to perform it, and we click run. It's scheduled and the changes will roll back on your target orgs. Naturally, Apex, that was also a step in this job, is not revertible. Again, only the editable components except for dashboards and pick list values. And basically that's everything I wanted to show you today. Please feel free to revert the changes that are questionable. And thanks for watching.